Hello and welcome to MBKM Models. Now, I've come into a close with this model. It's been, I've been building this since last September. And a lot of research and development. I didn't want to cut the deck, so I wanted the deck to come off, which would give me more room for the electronics and the motors. So I had to find the right way of putting it on and off, and what I've done is used nylon nuts and bolts. I had to change the size on them. I wanted them inobtrusive and small, but that was no good. The thread on the nylon bolts would just wear out. I redid the camo on this one. I redid it, and I'm very pleased with the way that the camo has come up on redoing it. I mean, saying redoing it, I mean I repainted it, which I am very pleased with. Now, I've ran some clear matte paint spray on it. It's a graffiti spray, which I get at a local shop. You can see it here. All right, and this is clear matte coat. All right, hopefully that will seal it all for going into the water. I've already done an open water trial, which was okay, but it took a lot of water in, and I came back from that, because that's the whole point of the trial. I came back from that and fitted a rubber membrane, but sadly the rubber membrane was too thick, and what I've done is gone for a cotton membrane. Now, what I'm hoping for is the cotton will get wet. However, it will absorb and swell, because this is what they use on real wooden boats. They put cotton packing in between, especially if it's, I can't think of the name of it now, clinker built hull. Yeah, okay, between the planks they'll put cotton, which swells and stops it leaking, which is a very old time method. So what I've done is tried to employ that method on here. And underneath the deck is a cotton membrane. There's a separate video about the cotton membrane. But like I said, I redid the camera and I'm really pleased with it. Really pleased the way it's come up, because it was all a bit dull and dowdy before, and now it's looking as I want it to look, and I hope you're all happy with it as well out there. Thanks for the subscribes. Yeah, thank you very much to everybody subscribing. I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers in the near future. All right, and I'm always grateful of all your support out there. All right, so thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Thank you for the subscriptions and the likes and the comments. And until next time.